Hello, my dear friends. Today again I'm here to share some experience. Actually, whatever the videos I am making and uploading, it is a simple attempt of sharing some information. Lot of friends are willing to know why I have started doing this kind of videos in a queue. Actually, मेरा कभी भी ये मकसद नहीं था कि मैं मेरे एडवर्टाइजमेंट करूं और पहले से मैं कभी एडवर्टाइजमेंट किया भी नहीं. I'm a living example in favor of the power when word of mouth works. Right from the beginning, I have seen different kind of people, different places I have visited. I came in contact with lot of people and they have enriched me in my experience. And that's the reason I never felt importance for any kind of advertisement. And that is the way life was going very comfortably. But I get lot of suggestions from my friends, dear friends. They said that please, it's a time for you. You just start sharing your experience. I felt the importance of it. Today, whatever I am delivering, whatever I am saying, it is simply a sharing of my information of my practical life. It is nowhere connected to any business proposal. Actually, my buffer and bandwidth both are very limited. So I can't reach many people. At the same time, I want to deliver some information which can support and help the people whoever watching my videos. Today, I want to unfold a very interesting part. 2-3 years back, I have started realizing it. And it is also a very important information. In my life, after my parents and my Guruji, if I respect one person, Ramchandra Sahasrabhujani, he left his physical body last year and it was a very big blow in my life. That person supported me and loved me unconditionally. And he has given lot of knowledge and he taught me a lot, which has helped me and enriched me. Then he asked me one day that, Rohit, can you explain what is the biggest threat in Indian politics, in Indian election system? And he said that I'm giving you time. You take your own time and give me satisfactory answer. He actually willing to know about the view of my astrodowsing subject, not my personal opinion. His request is just like an order for me. And I have tried my level best and I have reached with whatever the research work I did with my astrodowsing and I kept before him. Then he said, Rohit, I feel that your information is very close to my thought process. Today I am going to share some of them. One day he called me in the evening time. He said, Rohit, I was watching one program and lot of people were celebrating their political victory and lot of people they are delivering their speech और काफ़ी लोग दूसरे को संबर्धित कर रहे थे और मुझे लग रहा था कि तुम्हें भी इधर संबर्धना मिलना चाहिए because of your unconditional support and your love for the nation and your deep research. एक्चुअली मैं कुछ सोच के कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. सीनियर से आदेश आया, मैं वो हिसाब से मैं काम करता हूँ. कभी भी नहीं सोचा मुझे क्या मिलेगा, क्या मिलने वाला है. जितना मिला मुझे लगता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, मोर देन माई एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड व्हाट आई डिज़र्व. लेकिन उनका वो बात मेरे लिए एक लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड की तरह था, क्योंकि मैं जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ वो अगर मुझे इतना काबिल समझते हैं तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. रामदादा was a Maharashtrian Brahmin, but he used to talk Bengali better than any Bengali. Today I am going to share what I kept before him and why he was impressed by my research and my observation. In Indian election process, bureaucrats are playing a very important role, and that is the root cause of lot of complication. I am not saying the same thing is happening everywhere, but it plays a very important part. Actually, सत्ताधारी जो पार्टी होते हैं और जो विपक्ष का पार्टी होते हैं, इन लोगों के बीच में जो फासला है वो फासला और भी बढ़ जाता है जब ब्यूरोक्रेसी उनका धर्म, उनका काम प्रॉपरली नहीं निभाते हैं. I have seen lot of illicit voters. They vote where they are not actual electorates. And this kind of voters number was maximum 2 to 3% in previous days, but it has increased a lot. And the legitimate voters, they are not getting chance to cast their vote because their names are not there. At the same time, one single person, he is voting 2-3 places. So I strongly believe in Indian scenario, without implementing president rule, it is very difficult to exercise this system. And for election commission, it is also important to change the existing system and replaced by a very neutral professionals so that the system can run neutrally. It is not very important whether it is ballot or it is EVM, but it is very important that all the legitimate electors should exercise their franchise. And I strongly believe that this kind of problem is increasing and lot of malpractices are happening only because of some self-declared individual leaders behaving like godly figure. व्यक्ति पूजा जितना ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा उतना ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेशन, करप्शन बढ़ता रहेगा. और एक एक छोटा छोटा जगह के ऊपर मेरा जो आकलन था मैं उनके सामने रखा था. तो उसमें सबसे जो दुखद चीज़ मुझे देखने को मिला वो ये है कि जो पॉलिटिकल वर्कर्स जो ग्रास रूट लेवल में पॉलिटिक्स करते हैं उनको सबसे ज़्यादा तकलीफ झेलना पड़ता है. Because a political leader can change his position from one party to another, but it creates a very difficult situation for the followers, and especially the followers, those who are ideologically motivated. They don't believe any godly figure or any Bhakti puja or individual worship. That is the reason lot of complications are going, lot of wrong messages are going to the ground level. Ideology must take the rider's seat, not the individual charisma. So it can sound a very, very meager matter, very small matter, but the impact of this thing is really very huge. So we can never ignore the sentiment of grassroots people because they can't sound so much, they can't speak a lot, they can deliver speech in any platform, but they cast their votes. अगर हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि जो लोगों को सुविधा मिला उन लोग उनका ग्रुप को लेके आके वोट देके जाएंगे, ये हमेशा होता नहीं है. धीरे धीरे जो हेट्रेड पैदा होता है ग्राउंड लेवल में, वो हेट्रेड उनके मन में रहता है. वो अगर एग्जिस्टिंग एमएलए क्यों ना हो, एमपी क्यों ना हो, वो अगर उनका पार्टी चेंज भी कर लिया, वो हेट्रेड चेंज नहीं होता. ये भी हम लोग देख चुके हैं. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है दिल तक झांकना पड़ेगा वोटर लोगों का, उनको दिल को टटोलना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो काफ़ी अनर्थ होगा. वी कांट इम्पोज अवर थॉट प्रोसेस always. So it is very important to be united for the national cause, for the national interest. So arrogancy, ego, and overconfident thought process sometimes creates trouble for any individual or any party or for any country. अमेरिकन इलेक्शन में देखने को मिला कि पोस्टल बैलट के ज़रिए बहुत सारा धांधली हुआ और शायद कल ये प्रॉब्लम भी अनफोल्ड होगा कि किस तरह से धांधली होता है. लेकिन धांधली करके गुपचुप तरीके से, गलत ढंग से ये जो जीतने का स्टाइल है या तो वोटर्स को प्रभावित करने का जो स्टाइल है, ये बंद होना चाहिए. वोटर्स और इलेक्टर्स, दे शुड गिव देयर वोट फियरलेसली. ये वातावरण सबसे पहले क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा और सब लोगों को वोट में पार्टिसिपेट करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और जो लोग ओरिजिनल एंड लेजिटिमेट वोटर्स हैं, इन लोगों का नाम अगर वोटर लिस्ट में नहीं है, ये भी देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक घर से 15 लोग वोट दे रहा है और एक घर से 5 लोग वोट दे रहा है. देखना चाहिए कि किसी का भी वोट ना कटे और एक इंसान 10 जगह पे जाके वोट करने का कोशिश ना करे बिकॉज ऑफ द शेल्टर फॉर एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. सो प्यूरिफिकेशन इन इलेक्शन सिस्टम is very important, and which I have conveyed to Ram Dada. He said that he had seen all this stuff to the ground level and he has the same kind of information and he believed my research, my work in it, and apparently I felt that he was happy and I felt that I can share this very interesting thing of my life. Thank you for observing. God bless.